Hey, Mom, since you locked me in the bathroom, I made friends with a water bottle, and he's never leaving me. Bottle boy, no!
I'm here for the butter party. Butter time.
An arrest has been made in a suspected abduction that was captured on a home surveillance camera. And a warning, some of the video is graphic.
I'll make you cookies.
Hello, ma'am. Do you have a moment to talk about our new religion? Convert.
Oh! Somebody left their plywood in the middle of the street. Oh my God! There was a rock in the road. Oh.
Whoa! A wallet? Free wallet, free wallet. Oh, sorry. This must be yours. Well, it's mine now. Laughing, crying emoji. Shut up! If you eventually marry someone, you could be the first to die and leave them alone, or they could be the first to die and you'd be left alone. I don't know which is scarier. Check it out! Unicorn mac and cheese! It's unicorn shaped. Lemon. The prime years of my life have been wasted in school, and by the time I'm finally out of college, I'll only have a few years left before I begin to feel the effects of aging. Check it out! DVD copy of SpongeBob Christmas! Happy holidays. Ooh. Abracadabra. DVD copy of Madagascar. Movie review time. 2 out of 10. This movie is for babies. One day in the far future, whether it be your great-grandchildren or your great-great-grandchildren, your name will be uttered for the last time. At least I have banana bread. Yay. Peace. I still wear diapers. Toothpaste. Shazam. Peanut. Alakazam. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. Looks like it's the bank. I'm losing my house. Oh my God, I just took this kid's nose. Oh my God. Wait, you still have your nose though. Little carousel. Wow, it's a real life carousel. Wow. Oh boy. No, it's not. No, it's not. You were still on my porch. No, it's not a real Ferris wheel. You thought sometimes I wish I could just stop time. Life is moving too fast, you know. Other times I wish I could skip time. You know, leave certain periods of my life behind as fast as possible. Check it out! It's a little stuffed Garfield with a little Santa hat. Little fat fastest gun in the West. Howdy. Want to buy some earbuds? I drank too much Sprite, I think. Gee. Oh no, my drone landed on your front porch. Hello? Baby carrots. Banana. Oh. Presto. Just took 2 of these melatonin. It's gonna be a wild night. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. It's from my school. Let's check it out. I'm in crippling student loan debt. Hello, ma'am. Do you have a moment to talk about our new religion? Convert. Spoons. Ew, you stink! Moon cheese, made with real moon. Shopping time! Unfortunately, the only time we can appreciate the good moments, our childhood memories, nostalgia, is when they're finally gone. Check it out, I built a tiny snowman. His name is Gerald. Hey neighbor, thanks for letting me borrow your top here. El 10 mejor momentos de Fortnite, número 1 la morta de Fortnite. I'm Jakesterguy, and this is my highlight reel. This is Bingus. Everybody say hi, Bingus. French fry. Yum. here for the butter party. Butter time. I'm a pizza, boo! Christmas donuts. Donut review time.